guys a very close-up look. I feel I paid ₹70 for this one. It has got red tassels with it, and this had got like small oxidized leaves. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is yet again a very exciting and a special video because I personally love accessories. If you have been watching me this far, by this time you would really know that I love accessories, and it's highly important to have specific accessories, items which you can like pull off during any festive look, during any Diwali party or whatsoever. If you have any particular occasion, if you have a wedding coming down, you can pull off various kind of looks with certain pieces which are so versatile. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So let's just quickly begin with today's video. So the first item which I wanted to show you guys is my personal favorite. It's my recent purchase and I have been loving this, like absolutely loving this. So this one is a pair of earrings which I think for the first time I wore for my Diwali look, if I am not wrong. So these are called Chand Balis, if I'm not wrong. I hope that you guys are being able to see. So these are called Chand Balis. These are so versatile. I feel that it will go with, you know, western boho kind of looks, with kurtis, with salwar suit, with saris. I feel that these are so versatile, and the price which I paid for these are above ₹250. I will mention the price somewhere on the screen, and I'll definitely mention the link as to from where I did purchase this one. But this is such a versatile and beautiful piece. I feel that with any kurti look, if you're wearing even a basic white kurti, this will just add up so beautifully with that particular set. I feel that these pair of earrings you can pull off with saris, you can pull off with kurtis, you can pull this off with a jacket, jeans jacket underneath a kurti, and wear it a boho outfit. A boho look will come out of it. So the next item which I wanted to show you guys is the one which I'm wearing right now. So these are the pair of oxidized earrings, if you are being able to see. So these are the pair of oxidized earrings. These had some small holes on it all around, and there's a tap like structure here, and it goes on to be a cylindrical kind of a thing. Not cylindrical, more of a rectangular elongated kind of a thing. It looks very good on faces like I have like an almond shaped kind of a face, a round face. It looks very good on those kind of face cuttings, but I feel that personally it looks good on anyone. I feel that these are so versatile. You can pull this off with a sari, even if you're wearing a plain basic kurta with a heavy dupatta, and you can pair these pair of earrings with that. I think that these are not very heavy. These are very lightweight, and I feel that there's a particular idea or a preset in our head that it has to be very heavy, it has to be very chunky, then only we can wear it during the festive, during the occasions of wedding and whatsoever. But that's a myth. You can pair these kind of earrings too and it will just steal the deal. People will be asking you that where did you get it from. These are so many versatile pieces. I feel that people forget at some point of time in their life as to it's not mandatory to have jewels attached, to have stones attached. It can be pretty basic simple earrings too, which can make a statement. So definitely I will mention the link in the description box down below, and the price which I paid for this one somewhere on the screen, so you guys won't be missing that out. Do let me know which one is your favorite, guys. I will be waiting for you guys' comments. So coming towards the next, again basic, very basic, a pair of hoops. You can never go wrong with a pair of hoops. These are in the color of oxidized, and not oxidized, these are in the color of rose gold. Pair of hoops is something which is so high up these days. Like you can spot each and everyone wearing a pair of hoops and just rocking their outfit altogether. Hoops always changes the game. It suits round face, it suits like a very chiseled kind of a face, it suits all kind of face cutting. So I feel that hoop, it's one versatile piece, guys. It's just one versatile piece. Coming towards the necklace section, now I don't own many necklace, but I do own few necklace pieces which I feel that I can just jazz up with any outfit which I have. So I basically purchased this particular neck piece from Colaba. I'll just quickly show you. I'm currently wearing this one. So this has got red tassels with it, and this had got like small oxidized leaves, and on the top part it has got some stone work going on of the color green, blue, peach, and I personally love this one. I can pair this one with white kurti, I can pair this one with black kurti, dark shades, and there's like numerous ways in which I can pair this piece of versatile neck piece. Now I think I paid somewhere around 200 to 300 for this one, or even 150. I'll have to recall for this part because I feel that I think I got this one last year from Colaba. And Colaba Market has got really amazing pieces. Do let me know what you guys think of this particular necklace. I personally love this necklace. It's not really boho, it's not really chunky, it's not really big, but it does makes a statement, and that is what I always look for. So let's move on to another favorite pair of earrings of mine. These are my current favorite yet again. Yes, I love earrings, and Runa Di is like so happy by seeing this pair of earrings. She was like, these are like so pretty. I was like, yeah, these are my current favorites also. So I think that these are called like drop earrings if I'm not wrong. I will mention the price which I paid on the screen, and I will also mention as to from where I purchased this one. So I'll just quickly show you guys a very close-up look. These have got small pearls attached all over. Only this part is a bit heavy, but this whole particular part is very light. But if I think I was wearing it on my birthday, and for 2 to 3 hours, for the first 5 minutes I felt a bit heavy, but after that I did not felt like I was wearing an earring. Like, trust me, it's not that heavy. It's so lightweight, it's so versatile, and because of the white pearls, it becomes really versatile. You can pair this up with jeans jacket and white top underneath, and if you're wearing this, if you have a college fest coming up, nowadays nobody is going to college these days, everybody is studying from home, but if you have a wedding coming soon, you can pair this up even with your lehenga as well. Yes, this is such a beautiful and versatile piece. I feel that with the lehenga also it will just oomph up your outfit, and the intricate design on the top part is so pretty. I just feel like this has to be one of my favorite, and you guys will be seeing me wearing this pair of earrings more often, like more often, because I personally love this pair of earrings. Just look at it. Even if I would have worn this one with this particular outfit, it would have been so beautiful. So do let me know which one is your favorite, guys. Let's come towards another piece of neck piece. Now this one particularly, I feel that I got it from street market during Durga Puja, like 2 to 3 years back, or 2 years back most probably. And this one particularly I got for rupees 100 or 150. I personally don't remember, but this is a beautiful piece. Just look at it. I feel I paid rupees 70 for this one. And it's such a beautiful piece, na? You can't like take your eyes off this one. This one you can pair this up with I think that I could have paired this one with this one also. I feel that this one particularly you can wear it with a simple sari, an organza sari, simple jardosi sari, handloom saris, and there are like so many possibilities. You can even wear this with your lehenga, you can even wear this with your kurti. It just adds up a special touch if you have a wedding coming soon, if you have so many festivities, if you want to make a photo shoot with such versatile pieces. I feel that these are so pretty, so beautiful. Just look at it. It has got like chains dangling, and it has got flowers work all over. Now the chain, however, the neck piece comes till this part, kind of like a choker kind of thing. So when you wear it, it becomes like this. So just see what it does. It will just oomph up your outfit. Even if you're wearing a basic black kurti, basic white kurti, basic anything, I feel that very beautiful and very versatile altogether. The dangling part, the designs and everything is so beautiful. I just completely love this piece. These kind of pieces are so versatile. I feel that if this piece was particularly in the shade of red or black or white or golden, then I think golden and silver are the two versatile colors which you can pull off even with a sari, even with a kurti, even with like jacket. And I think that in winter wear also you can pull off these kind of pieces and it will just add a boho kind of a thing to your whole outfit, and the intricate design of flower just makes it really pretty. I feel that this is such a beautiful piece. And steel is that one thing majorly, if you are from Kolkata, you will find many vendors selling it on street, such beautiful statement pieces during this Durga Puja. Now this year Durga Puja was very different. I did not even went out. I feel that for the stage to return where people would be selling off these kind of pieces in the like streets, like 2 to 3 years later, I will feel that you guys will be able to find it out, such beautiful pieces. So this one is of this one has been my favorite for the longest time, and I feel that I will be pulling this off with many more such looks. So let's just see how that goes. Do let me know if you want me to style such versatile pieces and show you guys some looks. I will be looking forward to you guys' comments. Let's move towards the last item which we have. So this is a very favorite of mine. This one I wore during the wedding of one of my closest friends. So this is how the earring looks like. It has got golden and some kundan work on it in hat cause, and it also has got like pearls at the bottom. So this is a whole package kind of a thing. Now this one particularly I purchased for my sari look and also for like some salwar suits as well. I feel that owning such kind of pieces with white pearls and everything, it becomes a very convenient way for you to style it, and it also reduces the headache which we all face if we have a certain wedding going on in our family. We are always like, what would I wear with this particular kurti, what would I wear with this lehenga. I feel that this one in general you can wear it with a lehenga, with a sari, with a salwar suit, and I will mention the price which I paid. This one again I purchased from a local market. If I find any similar item online, I will mention the link in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check that out. And also if you haven't participated in the giveaway video, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen, and I will also mention the link in the description box down below, so please don't forget to participate. And I'm just trying to make it more obvious for like to bring a smile on each one of you guys' face, and I'm just trying my level best to increase that potentiality, to increase that chance of you being selected. So let's just see how that goes. So coming back towards this particular pair of earrings, this is very beautiful. You can see that it has got some crisscross designs on it. It has got some pearls at the bottom. It has got some kundan work going on over here. So this is a bit heavy, if I will have to say, because of the kundan work and because of the stones which are attached over here. This is a bit heavy, but not that much heavy which we always have this idea about. So definitely if you spot these kind of earrings, do buy it, because this will be staying in your closet for the longest time and you can wear this pair with so many different outfits. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly and found it informative. If you guys did found out this video informative, please don't forget to comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite, which earring, which neck piece was your favorite. I would really love to know. And let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want me to make more such amazing kind of videos where I give like versatile pieces where you can purchase, which you can purchase online, and you can pull many looks with these personal favorites of mine, and you can pull many looks with such versatile pieces. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.